DJM TV.
Welcome to DJM TV News, where you get the latest information as the trend. Please, if you are new to this channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJM TV. Click on the notification bell so you keep receiving videos from us as they drop. And if you're on Facebook, like our Facebook page at DJM TV. On Twitter, follow us at DJM TV. Also on our website at www.djmtv.news, where we drop videos 247. I am Lawuru Favor for DJM TV News.
This video that he has been exposing the secret of Nigerian security, he has said it all. Sheikh Zazzaki has said it in that video, all that is happening now in Zamfara and other places. We brought the video, and the video was going around the social media and other places since 2013. And this idiot called Al-Bakari, the chief of staff, he went out last week Thursday. He was going from one media house to another, telling them not to use that video of Sheikh Ibrahim Zazzaki, that it is going to cause problem in Nigeria. Who is going to see the problem? The authorities that are benefiting from the killing of innocent citizens. And they will come and sit down here, they will keep you here protecting them. What are you protecting? Idiot, useless people that are supposed to be killed. They have killed more than 1,000 people. They have killed a lot of people in Nigeria. Buhari deserves to be killed because he's a criminal. You should stop wasting your time. They don't pay you allowances. They invest in your resources. They keep you under the sun. They sit now under the AC and discuss how to invest in your own resources and subject you into abject poverty and hunger. Can we continue like this? That is the reason of this poverty in Nigeria. They intentionally subjected the masses into abject poverty and hunger in such a way that you cannot think of the resources. You cannot think of ruling Nigeria. You only think of how to get 20 naira and buy a cup of gari and feed your family. Look at it. Is this the change we want in this country? The change that promotes, killing of citizens? The change that increased fuel prices in this country? When Jonathan removed the subsidy, what happens in Nigeria? People come out in mass and protest. Buhari led the protest. Buhari and Nasir El-Rufai. But today, Buhari, immediately he come into power, he made the fuel 145 from 95 naira. During Jonathan. 85. Today, as I'm speaking to you now, they have increased the fuel price to 118 naira. Is this what we want in this country? Where are they taking this money? What have this administration done to these citizens of Nigeria? Killing? Do we vote for killing? We know that they gave you power, Muhammad Buhari. Your foreign masters gave you power not because you deserve it. You have lost the election and they fabricated the result and announced you as the winner. We don't care. Even if Atiku becomes the president of Nigeria tomorrow, they may influence him to kill his own citizens because Nigerians are senseless, the leader. So we know Buhari did not win any election. He was given this power by force. Of course, they gave you power. But stop killing innocent citizens of Nigeria. If not, you will face the consequences. The power has its limited time. You just have to, if you like, amend the constitution and come back for another 8 years. You shall finish, and we shall meet in filling station. We shall meet in naming ceremony. We shall meet either in wedding ceremony. Muhammad Buhari, you can never escape killing of 1,000 followers of Sheikh Zazzaki and putting them in a mass burial. This is 21st century. This is 21st century. You have killed followers of Sheikh Zazzaki. You have detained Sheikh Zazzaki because he is speaking against your tyranny and oppression. But for your information, you are just keeping Zazzaki in detention, but Zazzaki's movement is at the doorstep of your villa. And if it continue like this, should anything happen, whatever comes up, Buhari should bear the consequences. The security should not say we did not tell you. We cannot fold our hands and allow them to kill our leader. We cannot fold our hands and allow these criminals to be killing innocent citizens in Nigeria, be they Christian or Muslim. Islamic movement is fighting for justice. Islamic movement is calling for the unity of the masses to come and challenge these oppressors at all costs. Because the only way of stopping tyranny and oppression in a country is for the oppressed to come out and challenge the conscious operation. We are ready to fight this injustice in Nigeria till the last drop of our blood. As you can see me speaking, I'm 32 years old. I'm a graduate, and I am ready to die for the cause of these citizens, for the citizens of Nigeria to have a conducive atmosphere to live in peace. Until some people sacrifice their life in this country before we get peace in this country. Because we have animals ruling us. Why should Saudi Arabia give Buhari, Muhammad Buhari?
Samuel Okafor TV. Should in case today is your first time of coming to my channel, of watching my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel.
DJM TV.
Welcome to DJM TV News, where you get the latest information as the trend. Please, if you're new to this channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJM TV. Click on the notification bell so you keep receiving videos from us as they drop. And if you're on Facebook, like our Facebook page at DJM TV. On Twitter, follow us at DJM TV. Also on our website at www.djmtv.news, where we drop videos 247. I am Lawuru Favor for DJM TV News.
DJM TV.